Only in my heart I do believe you shall overcome some. God very good archer, but I promise you, Arjuna, that I will make him greatest archer in the world. I want Guru Dakshina. Okay, Guru Garu, what do you want? I want your right thumb. Okay, Guru Garu, take it. The constitution is the backbone of her country. It gives us right. It is a national festival of India on 26th January 1950. Constitution of India came into force. That's why we are celebrating Republic Day. Don't fight, my dear fruits. You are health first, human beings health. So from onwards, don't fight. You are very good.